In this video, let's talk about simplifying fractions using decomposition. So we look at 32 over 40. One of the ways that students get taught to simplify this is to divide the top and the bottom by a common number, a common factor. Best or quickest to do the greatest common factor. In this case, that'd be divide by 8, divide by 8, and then we get 32 divided by 8 is 4, 40 divided by 8 is 5. And this way works. But maybe it's beneficial to learn other ways. Consider if we had something like 3 over 16 times 56 over 45. Some things you could simplify now, 3 and 45, 56 and 16. Some students want to just top times top, bottom times bottom, which mathematically is fine. 3 times 56 is 168, and 16 times 45 is 720. And now when you are considering dividing the top and the bottom by the greatest common factor, this is a lot less obvious what it is. So maybe we learn to simplify by decomposition. So when we consider 32 over 40, let's break this apart. 32 can be expressed as 8 times 4, and 40 can be expressed as 8 times 5. And then we notice that the 8s simplify, some might say cancel out, and then you are left with 4/5. So when you consider 3 times 56, so the top, 3 times, instead of 56, let's express 56 as something that is smaller. It's made up of, well, several ways, but let's go with 8 and 7. 8 times 7 is 56. And then 16, let's start trying to decompose this with factors that match something up here. So 16 can be expressed as 8 times 2, and 45 can be expressed as 5 times 9. 5 times 9. Now 9 can be expressed as 3 times 3. And then we can cancel out these 8s. We can cancel out a 3. And then what do we have? 7 on top. And on the bottom, 2 times 5 times 3 is 30. So simplify by decomposing. Instead of the numbers getting bigger, 168, 720, we can make them smaller and much more manageable, and there's no need for anything such as a calculator. Simplify by decomposition.